how to search for destination in Waze, let's get started. Open the Waze app and make sure you are on the main screen. At the bottom, tap the search bar. This is where you can type in any destination like address, business, landmark. As you type, Waze will show suggested map in real time. Tap the one that matches your destination. You can also use voice search for hand-free navigation. Tap the microphone in the search bar and say destination clearly. Once your destination appear, tap view route, then tap go now to start the navigation. Waze will calculate the fastest route based on traffic, road condition, and route preference. And just like that, you are ready to find any place quickly and easily with Waze. That's it. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.